Let's quickly revise 9th Standard ICSE English Literature play Merchant of Venice by William Shakespeare, Act 1, Scene 1. This scene takes place in a street in Venice, a prosperous town in Italy. This opening scene has Antonio looking melancholic. Antonio is the Merchant of Venice and one of the main characters of this play. The reason for his anxiety is unknown. Enter his friends Salarino and Salanio, who have their own theories about Antonio's sadness. They feel that Antonio is worried about his business ventures because his richly laden ships are at sea. They try to cheer him up by pulling his legs, stating that if they were in Antonio's shoes, they would be reminded about the perils at sea regularly, when they were drinking soup, or when they were walking to the church and saw the rocks, or when they saw the sand flowing in an hourglass. Antonio rubbishes this theory, stating that he never puts all his eggs in one basket, so he was not concerned about his financial status or about his business ventures at sea. Then Salarino predicts that Antonio was sad because he was bitten by the love bug. Antonio rejects this theory as well as being ridiculous. Then Salarino concludes that Antonio was melancholic by nature. He states that just like Janus, the Roman god, has two faces, a frowning face and a smiling face, similarly, people in the world are of two categories: the ones who find life as a comedy and the ones who find it as a tragedy. Antonio, it seems according to him, is one of those who are so serious that he wouldn't laugh at a joke even if a very serious person would, like Nestor. Now enter the other friends, Bassanio, Gratiano and Lorenzo. Gratiano has a similar complaint about Antonio. He feels that Antonio is quite emotionless. He's like a grandfather statue made out of marble, totally inactive. He wants Antonio to be passionate and joyful and enjoy his life and stop worrying about his business. He warns Antonio against being one of those people who pretend to be wise by being quiet and serious and who speak as if they were Sir Oracle. Antonio heeds their advice, and after a friendly banter, they leave, leaving Antonio and Bassanio alone. Now these two are the best friends. Bassanio seems to be in dire need of money. He's already indebted to Antonio and a few others because of his extravagant lifestyle. But this time, he has a plan to repay all the loans that he had taken. He plans to go to Belmont, which is another fictitious town in Italy. He wishes to go there to woo Portia, a wealthy heiress whose father is no more. He feels from his previous meeting that Portia might reciprocate his love for her. So by marrying Portia, not only would he win the love of his life, but he would become wealthy and he would be able to repay all the loans he had taken. Antonio wishes to help Bassanio in these deeds, but he has no cash at hand. He has invested all his money in his business, which are at sea in the form of rich goods. But he suggests to Bassanio to borrow a sum of money from any moneylender in Venice, and Antonio is willing to be the guarantor for it, since he enjoys a good reputation in Venice. Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.